Next up, Adrian's Silverado. You could see a featured long video of this on my channel before, and then he came to this event as well. First time ever competing. Hello, Adrian.
Hey, how's it going?
It's a busy day, huh?
Yeah, it's been.
How many judges have you had so far?
7 or 8.
And then you have more?
Yes.
Great.
Probably 3 more.
Okay, so let's do a short one. Let's run the system down and show to people what we've got, what you built yourself. You built everything yourself,
Well,
right? Yeah, okay. So, please explain to us what you've got.
We got the AMT 60 tweeters in the sail panels, and Steg MMS3
MSS3.
MSS3 mid-ranges
Yeah.
in the dash. 3D printed both the housings for the mids and for the tweeters.
Yeah, really nice finish. Really cool stuff. Mid base, what's happening? There's some crazy stuff there.
Got some stereo integrity TM8 true infinite baffle. Cut through the firewall there. 3D printed mounts and 3D printed grills.
Nice. Nice. And we have a sub that's hiding, right? Oh, we will have to show a book, or can you? Oh, you can do that trick. There you go. Then we can show this beauty. So that's the One Audio IBN2.
That's right.
Right. Unfortunately, we won't see many cars with this because it was only produced for a short time, and just to fill the gap in for people, unfortunately this cannot be made anymore. But Scott will have a solution to have a replacement for this because he had problem with the basket. Yeah, long story, but yeah, this is amazing. We can see that you did some crazy bracing to keep it rigid, and because of that, because everything else is hidden in this car, we will go to the back and show people a couple of pictures from your installation book, right?
Yeah.
Let's do that. Let's do that quick. This is what we have to show to people, because this is where they will see what you've done. So that's the tweeter installation, fiberglassed into the pillar. Yep. Nice XT connectors. That's the mids in the dash. Yep. Okay.
It's dash panel.
Oh, the whole
upside
piece came
down.
out.
Yeah.
Oh, that's where the magic happened. Choppy. Do you have a V-large liner in front of this?
I do. So that does get
completely
covered
hidden
up with that fiber liner.
Okay. And then that's where you can breathe. Yep. Nice.
And that's the finalized termination of the wires. Right side.
Yep.
Subwoofer.
And that's the rear fill in the B pillar.
That's right.
Yep. That's what we can't show in the car because it's behind the trim, behind the seat. So you have this tiny SounDigital amplifier hidden, 8-channel running freeway and rear field, DSP Pro, and a tiny monoblock. Which one is it? 1600?
That's right.
1600. Yeah, amazing. You took your time, that's for sure, and you've gone crazy with everything. A lot of printed parts, well thought out. Okay. Showing wiring, termination. Yep. Nice. Awesome. And then that's Adrian's beautiful system. Very simple. We counted it earlier. I think retail price, except the source, is around 6K. You have, compared to some of the big competitors who have big budgets. And this is very simple. Amazing, Adrian. Thank you.